So let us take a problem on discrete probability distribution. The problem states like this: show that the following distribution represents a discrete probability distribution. Find the mean and variance. So these are the values of x and p of x given in the problem. So to have a probability discrete probability distribution, there are two conditions to be satisfied. The first condition is p of xi should be greater than 0. Second condition greater than or equal to 0. Second condition is sum of p of xi should be equal to 1. Correct? Huh? This I have explained. Huh? So these are xi values. These are p of xi values. Now let us check all these p of xi values. They are all greater than or equal to 0. None of them are negative. So it is observed that p of xi greater than or equal greater than 0. All the values are greater than 0 only. Therefore, first condition is satisfied. Second condition, sum of p of xi should be equal to 1. That means you have to add all these probabilities. Sigma p of xi means 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. It is 8 by 8 which is equal to. So second condition is also satisfied. Correct? Therefore, given set of data represents a discrete distribution, probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution. So first thing is over. Then we have to find the mean and variance. So mean and variance, they are obtained using these two formulas. Mean is given by mu is equal to what is the formula? Sigma I xi into pxi. So here xi values are these values, corresponding pxi values are these values. So you have to multiply and then add. Correct? So 10 into 1 by 8. 10 into 1 by 8 plus 20 into 3 by 8 plus 30 into 3 by 8 plus 40 into 1 by 8. So if you simplify this, so this is 10 divided by 8 is what is the value? 1.25 plus this is 60 divided by 8. Use the calculator. 7.5. 7.5 plus 90 by 8. 11.25 plus 5. Okay, add all this. So 1.25 plus 7.5, I think you will get 25. That is the value of mu 25. The second one is variance. Mu means average. Variance V is given by sigma xi minus mu whole square into p of xi. See here what we have to do here is we have to take xi minus mu whole square. Xi is this, mu is 25. So what is the first term here? So here I is equal to 1 to 4. Correct? I is 1 to 4, you know, there are 4 data. 4 data is there. I is equal to 1 to 4. So 4 values will be placed here. Xi minus mu. Xi is 10 here. Minus mu is 25 whole square. Into p of xi is 1 by 8. Plus, because it is summation. Second is 20. Xi is 20 minus 25 whole square into 3 by 8. Plus xi is 30. 30 minus 25 whole square into 3 by 8. then plus fourth value xi is 40, mu is 25, 40 minus 25 also square into 1 by 8. So simplify this, you will get the value of variance. This is the value. I think I will get 75. This is the value. Square, you can add like this, then you can divide by 8 finally. 15 square plus this is 3 into 5 square plus 3 into 5 square plus 15 square divided by 8. Finally divided by 8. I think it is like this, 1 by 8 you can take common. First value is 15 square. Even if it is minus, it becomes plus. Minus 15 square plus minus 5 square plus 5 square plus 15 square. As if it is 225 plus 225, 450. 450, 225 plus 225. 450 plus 50, 500. 500 by 8 lakh. Right, sir?
67.5.
75. What is the value?
67.5.
67.5. 67.5. And if you are asked to find standard deviation, you sigma, it is square root of v. Square root of 67.5. 8 point.
No, 8.215.
8.215. This is the value. Okay. First we have checked these two conditions. First condition is this. Second condition is this. This is all values should be greater than or equal to 0. Given values pxi values. First condition. Second condition, if you add all the px values, you should get 1. If both are satisfied, then only it satisfies. It is a discrete probability distribution. If one of them is not satisfied, then it is not a discrete probability distribution. So once it represents a discrete probability distribution, these are the formula to find the mean, variance and standard deviation. Simple. Okay. So this is one problem. Now I will take one more problem. Here itself I will take one more problem. Second problem. A random variable x so a random another problem I will take up. A random variable x or you can write the PDF of, that means probability density function of a variate. Variate is a random variable, is also called as variate. X is given by. So he has given the values once again in the form of a table like this. X P of x, capital P. So here he has given capital P. PDF. The values are like this. When the x is 0, P of x is k. When x is 1, this is 3k. When x is 2, 5k. When x is 3, 7k. When x is 4, 9k. Then when x is 5, 11k. When x is 6, 13. So these are the values of px, p of x. The question is like this: for what value of k? For what value of k, comma, this represents a valid probability distribution. This represents a valid, this is small p only, not capital. Okay, a valid probability distribution. This is one thing. So I have to find out the value of k. K is unknown. Second thing is determine p of x greater than or equal to 5. Yes, this is capital P. P of x greater than or equal to 5 and p of 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. X greater than or equal to p x greater than or equal to 5 and p of 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. This is how the problem is given. So understand the problem here. Here, instead of giving probability, he has given PDF itself, probability density function, capital P of x. But in terms of k, he has given. So the thing is here, the first condition is all this k should be greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise, see here, I have told you these two conditions to be satisfied. First condition is all these values should be greater than or equal to 0. Second condition is if you add all these, you should get 1. That is second condition. So, solution is like this. Conditions for a probability distribution to exist are, first condition is what? All these px values should be greater than or equal to 0. Correct? The meaning of that is k should be greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be 0, it should be greater than 0. If k is 0, everything will be 0, no? Is it not? So k is greater than 0. One condition. Second condition is sum of p of x should be equal to 1. Correct? So if you use the second condition, what happens is add all of them. K plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k. This should be equal to 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. 49k is equal to 1. Correct? Is it 49k is equal to 1? Correct? This to add not before. 49 then what k is equal to 1 by 49. This is the value. Correct? So first part of the problem is over. For what value of k, it represents a distribution function. Next, we have to determine this. Now here in this case, p x greater than or equal to 5 here. Now we will have one more table like this only, so that we can have a right table like this x y x p of x. Now we know the value of k. Once you know the value of k, now get these values now. For x is equal to 0, p of x is k is 1 by 49. Correct? For x is equal to 1, p of k is 3 times k. 3 by 49. Correct? 3 into 1 by 49. Next to 5k, x is equal to 2, 5k. 5 by 49. Next, x is equal to 3, 7 by 49. X is equal to 4, 9 by 49. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5, 11 by 49. X is equal to 6, 13 by. got the actual values now. For the different values of x, we got the actual values. Now what we have to do is we have to find out p of x greater than or equal to 5. So to find p of x greater than or equal to 5. Now we have to do greater than or equal to 5 means what is the meaning of that? In this x, these are all the x values. Greater than or equal to 5 means you can get only these two values, correct? Is equal to 5. Greater than 5 means it is 6. So that means this value will be p of 5 plus p of 6. Apply that? Correct? Only two values. So that means it is 11 by 49 plus 13 by 24 by. You can put it in decimal also. That is the answer. Okay. Next step. What he has asked us to find p 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. We have to x 3 less than x means it should be greater than ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕ you see here 3 x is greater than 3 x is greater than 3 ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ x is greater than 3 means this value will come 4 then less than or equal to 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 to 6 so that means it is p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of 6 so 11 by 9 by 49 plus 11 by 49 plus 13 by 49 20 33 by 49 got it that is the probability so you write this you can find out whatever they ask one more let us find one more I will just for the same problem once this table is ready you can find probability for any value of x. So let us find note. I will write note. For this problem only two they are asked. Let me write. Suppose for example instead of like this, if he gives 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6, then what happens? 3 less than or equal to x means x is equal to 3 also we have to take. Idu barutte. This also will come. So this is nothing but p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of 6. 4 value ಬರುತ್ತೆ 7 by 49 plus 9 by 49 plus 11 by 49 plus 13 by 49. So the answer is 16, 27, 40 by 40. Probability is more because we are taking more values here. Suppose they may give p of less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 to go. What is the meaning of this? P of x less than or equal to 3 means x can be 0, x can be 1, x can be 2, x can be 3 up to 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct? That means it is p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 2. Which is 1 by 49 I can take common. P of 0 is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 16 by ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಒಮಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ by using those condition sigma px is equal to 1 then we have prepared one more table then whatever probability is asked those values you have to just add so these are all adding numbers that is why it is discrete finite numbers That is why discrete property distribution.